In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can sell your Bitcoin to Naira instantly and to receive your Naira to your bank account under 5 minutes. So I'll just quickly show you the platform that you can do that. But before I do that, a lot of people, when you want to trade your BTC or USDT, you just quickly use the P2P site like Bybit or any other P2P exchange site. But there are some risks that comes with using those P2P sites, and one of the major risks is that the person that you are trading with on the P2P site, some of them who have been scamming people recently, they can send money to you from a stolen bank account. They can easily hack somebody's mobile app or phone and just go to the P2P and just use that person's account to trade with you and send you stolen funds, and you release your USDT or Bitcoin to the person. Then after some few weeks or days, you realize that your bank account has been restricted because the victim of that particular money that you received, he went to the bank to complain and they traced the money to your own account, and your account will be restricted, and you start explaining and having issues like that. I'm going to show you a platform that is not a P2P trader or exchanger. It's a separate, independent, verified company who have been doing this business since 2012, and their work is to instantly buy your Bitcoin and credit Naira to your bank account under 5 minutes. And it's not P2P, it's not trading with strangers that you don't know. The money is coming from company account, which is clean and legit funds, and you can go to bed. And most importantly, the good rate that you also get on your P2P is the rate that you also get using this platform. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So if I just go to the platform here, so this is the platform. The platform is called Sowget.com. You just load Sowget.com on your browser. If you just scroll down a bit, you see that the current rate is always displayed, and you can see for Bitcoin here, you see the rate now. Sell USD to Naira Bitcoin, you see the rate here. So it's always updated to the current dollar Naira exchange rate in Nigeria. So if you want to simply trade your Bitcoin on this platform for the first time user, just click on this icon here, then just click on register. Since you are doing this for the first time using this platform, you just quickly register an account by just entering your email address, password here, then your bank information, that is the bank account you want to use to receive your Naira. Alright, just enter it here, then just click on the sign up button. And once your account has been successfully created, then you can then sign into your account here. So I already have an account on this Sowget, which I want to use to show you this practical tutorial how to trade your Bitcoin to Naira instantly. So I'll just quickly sign into my Sowget account. I am logged into my Sowget account now. So I'll just quickly show you how you can sell your Bitcoin to Naira, and you see the Naira being credited instantly to my wallet, and I will also withdraw my Naira to my bank account under 5 minutes, and you see the money in my bank account. So that's what I will show you right away. Please just pay attention to my account balance here. My account balance is 0 Naira. So when my wallet is credited, you see the value that will be there, and when I withdraw to my bank account, you also see the money in my bank account. So now for me to sell my Bitcoin on this platform, just click on this sell crypto here. Okay, on the sell crypto page, since we are selling Bitcoin to Naira, I'll just click on Bitcoin to Naira here. If you are doing this for the first time, for the very first time, you just newly created your Sowget account, you see this page. So the page will tell you to generate your Bitcoin address. A unique address will be saved to your account, and you can use it many times. So any BTC sent to the address will be auto credited to your Sowget wallet. So since I'm doing this for the first time, let me just click on this generate address button. Okay, so you can see the message that appears. It says your Bitcoin address has been generated successfully. All right, so let me just scroll down so you can see sell Bitcoin. So you can see the Bitcoin sell rate. When I started the video, you can see that the same rate is displayed here. So before I sell the Bitcoin, just take 1 minute to just read this message. It says a unique Bitcoin address is saved to your account, only send to this address. Okay, then any BTC sent to the address will be converted to Naira and auto credited to your Sowget wallet. All right, okay, minimum order $1 BTC. Okay, so as low as $1 worth of BTC can be sold on this platform. So once you read all this information, just tick on this box here, I have read and understand. Then you click on this proceed. You can see my Bitcoin address has been displayed for me. So what I will just simply need to do at this point is to copy my Bitcoin address. Then I'll go to my Trust wallet or any crypto wallet you are using, or even if it's a crypto exchange that you want to withdraw your Bitcoin, whatever it is, crypto, Binance, Bybit. I'll just simply copy my address. So you can see I have copied my Bitcoin address there. All right, so I'll just go to my Trust wallet right away. This is my Trust wallet, so I'll just simply go to Bitcoin. The BTC amount, then let me enter USD. Okay, let me send 40 USD worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm sending $40 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, to the address. Let me confirm the address just before I send it. Just go to my Sowget. Okay, I've confirmed the BTC address. Okay, again, okay, I'll just click on confirm. Okay, so my BTC have been sent successfully on a Trust wallet. Okay, the status is saying pending. So I believe it's still unconfirmed now. So once the BTC transaction is confirmed on Trust wallet, my Sowget wallet will be credited with the Naira equivalent. So okay, so guys, I just saw that my Bitcoin transaction has confirmed. If I click on it, you can see the status now. It says completed. So at this point, I'll just quickly go back to my Sowget account here. So let's just close this one. So I'll just go back to my account dashboard just to see my balance. Okay guys, so you can see that my wallet has been credited with 57,722 Naira. Okay, that should be 57,800. So I think the value of the BTC dropped to about 39.9 something. So this is exactly how your wallet will be credited instantly. Okay, so at this point, the next thing I'll do is just to simply withdraw my Naira to my bank account. So I'll just simply click on this withdraw Naira button. Okay, you can see my wallet balance here, 57,727 Naira. Okay, so if I want to withdraw, it's a destination account, so just click on it. Okay, so I'll just take my Zenith bank account here. Okay, so how much am I withdrawing? Okay, let me just withdraw all of my money. Just enter. Okay, that'll be 57,727. Okay, so I'll just withdraw 57,727. Then click on proceed button. Okay, so you can see amount requested 57,727. Okay, bank transfer fee. Okay, so there's a bank transfer fee of 100 Naira deducted from the money that I'm withdrawing. So amount payable is 57,627 Naira. So I'll just click on withdraw now. Okay, you can see withdrawal completed successfully. So at this point, let me just wait 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. I'll receive my alert in my Zenith account. Okay, so I'll just wait for my alert to come in any moment from now. If I just go to my account overview, okay, you can see this is it, Zenith Bank. You can see I just got an SMS alert from my bank. Okay, but let me also just check my mobile app just to be sure that that money is for my withdrawal. So I'll just go to my app here. I just confirmed it. The money I received was from Sowget, and I received the exact amount of money that I withdraw. And you can see the transaction receipt on the screen. So guys, this is just how you can instantly sell your Bitcoin to Naira using Sowget.com and withdraw your Naira to your bank account under 5 minutes. So this is the platform, guys, Sowget.com. Please let me know your thoughts and your experience using this platform in the comment section. So thank you for your time, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.